What are you doing?
I was trying to break a world record.
How many jumps did you do?
2,346.
Wow! What's the world record?
177,737. That's another record I failed to break.
Why? Have you tried to break other records?
Yes, I try a new one each day. I really want to be a record breaker. Last weekend, I hula hooped with 10 hoops, but the record's 99. On my birthday, I tried to blow the biggest ever bubblegum bubble. Mine was 30 centimeters high, but the record is 58.4 centimeters. Last month, I tried to balance the most spoons on my face. The record is 15. I could only do 3. I'm never going to break a record.
Hey, wait a minute. You've tried to break a record every day this year, right?
Yes?
That's 365 attempts. The previous record was 364. Congratulations! You really are a record